Hi folks, Bill here, Action Auto Specialist, 6990 North Military Highway. Today we're featuring a 2004 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Nice truck, clean Carfax, only 3 owners, 27 service records. New Virginia State inspection, cold air, runs out great, got a few surface scratches and stuff, but a quality, fine running, older sport utility. Hook up your boat or your camper. Have some fun this summer. 7-passenger seating. Go to Action Auto Specialist, 6990 North Military Highway. Thanks for looking, folks.